Hello friends, welcome to my channel Let Get Physics. In this channel, I discuss about the previous year questions that is asked in NET and GATE exam. Now GATE 2022 is not so far, so today I discuss a problem that is asked in GATE 2019 and the problem is based on the quantum mechanics. So let's start. Now the question is, the Hamiltonian for a quantum harmonic oscillator of mass m in 3 dimension is given, that is h equals to p square by 2m plus half m omega square r square. Here half m omega square r square is the potential energy and omega is the angular frequency. Now the expectation value of r square in the fast excited state of the oscillator in units of h cut by m omega we have to find. So the problem is the Hamiltonian of the system is given and now we have to find the expectation value of r square in the fast excited state of the oscillator. Okay. So for the solution of this problem, at first we discuss virial theorem. Okay, so we all know about the virial theorem. It is nothing but the relation between the expectation value of the kinetic energy and the expectation value of the potential energy. Okay, so here we know the potential energy, that is half m omega square r square. So we can write here 2t average, where t is the kinetic energy, equals to r dot, here r is the position vector, r dot grad half m omega square r square. So we can write it r dot del del r of r square, half m omega square r square. So r dot half m omega square, now del del r of r square is 2r and r cap. So we get 2t average equals to half m omega square 2r, and this r vector we can write it r into r cap and dot r cap. So r cap dot r cap, it is equals to 1. So we get 2 into average of half m omega square r square. This is nothing but the potential energy. So 2 cancel out. So we get kinetic energy, average in kinetic energy equals to average in potential energy. Okay. So for the harmonic oscillator, the expectation value of the kinetic energy and the expectation value of the potential energy is same. Okay. Now we know the total Hamiltonian h equals to t plus v. So h average equals to t average plus v average. Now we proved that, recently we proved t average equals to v average. Okay, so we can write it 2 into v average. So 2 into potential energy average. Now we know the average of the Hamiltonian, that is nothing but the energy eigenvalue, that is En, equals to, for 3-dimensional quantum harmonic oscillator we know nx plus ny plus nz plus 3 by 2 h cut omega. We know that. Now we can write it, this equals to 2v average. Okay, so we get 2v average equals to nx plus ny plus nz plus 3 by 2 h cut omega. Now this 2 is divided here. So now we replace v as half m omega square r square. Now here m is the mass of the particle and omega is the angular frequency. So these are the constant. So we can write r square average equals to nx plus ny plus nz plus 3 by 2 h cut by m omega, because this omega and this omega cancel out and these two cancel out. So h cut by m omega. Okay. Now here in this question, this is given that we have to find the expectation value of r square in the fast excited state. Okay, fast excited state. Now for the fast excited state, we know nx, ny, nz, that is 100 or 010 or 001. So this is triply degenerate state. Okay, so we can choose any one of them. So ultimately we get r square average equals to 1. Here we take this value 100. So 100. Okay, so we get 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 by 2 h cut by m omega. So 5 by 2 h cut by m omega. So this is 2.5 h cut by m omega. And this is the answer. So I hope you all understand it. And if you have any question, so you can comment here. So thank you for watching this video. And if you want to get more videos, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.